Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be fixing and redoing this old Christmas slime that I have. It's very sticky, so I thought we could just activate it and then do something to it. So we're going to be making a chalkboard slime. So what you're going to be needing is some lotion, some activator if your slime is sticky, a bowl obviously, and a spoon, your slime, and some black paint. So if you have like an old slime that's sticky or you don't like anymore, you can change it into a chalkboard slime. So first, pour your sticky slime inside of the bowl. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. Ew, look at that. Come on, get off. I'll use the spoon to get it off a little bit. Most of it isn't coming off. So I'm gonna try to squeeze and then all the stuff will come off, see? Okay. Oh no, stay on the bowl. This is so sticky. Okay, get back in there. Okay, so now that we have our slime inside, look at that. Now I'm going to activate it. I just have a small little container of activator, so I'm going to pour some drops inside of the slime. Because we need a slime to make a chalkboard slime, but that was just glue. So, and if we overactivate, I have lotion. So, but that slime was pretty sticky. That's really nice, actually. I'm actually kind of glad it went really sticky because it used to, like, when I made it, I overactivated it so it wasn't stretchy that much, so it kept ripping, so it was just kind of like a putty. Okay, so now that we have our slime, I'm just gonna play with it so it's not like slippery. Just gonna stretch it a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in the bowl and I'm gonna add some lotion to make it a little bit stretchier because I kind of overactivated it. Okay. It is not coming out. Oh, there we go. I got some. That's not gonna work because there's activator still in the bowl, so I gotta mix with my hands. Ugh, so sticky. There. It actually feels really nice. I really like the texture, but it's time for you to be a chalkboard. We kind of want it to be a little, like, tough because when you, like, it's a chalkboard slime and you need, like, a chalk marker and you're going to color on it, but you don't want the chalk marker to stick to the slime. So you kind of gotta, like, make the slime a little, like, non-stretchy because, like, just kind of overactivated it a little bit. There, so here's our slime. It's really sparkly because when I made it, I put the glitter in. Okay, time for the secret ingredient. It's not very secret though. Come on, open up. I can't open this. Okay, open. Oh, I got it open. Okay, so let's add our black paint. Don't add too much because then it will make the slime a little more sticky, so I'm just gonna add a little bit. Yeah, that's not gonna work. But now our spoon is black, so I'm gonna leave it in the bowl. That's very glossy. It looks so glossy. Look at that, guys. Whoa, kind of looks like a galaxy because it's like this pretty green with the black. So just mix that in. It might get a little messy, but that's okay. So actually it went really black and I added like barely any. That looks really cool. And it's super shiny. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. It is very black. I thought it would need more than that, but it didn't. There's a little bit more black paint on here, so I'm just gonna wipe it onto slime. There. Mix it all in. It actually looks really pretty. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, so I'm just gonna get all the leftovers in here. Put them in. There's like little pieces always stuck in the, like, it doesn't come off easily. Oh, that part's still sticky. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix that in. Oh no, the paint. There, I'll close you. Now I'm just gonna get all the, like, the sticky parts off the table because there was a problem when we got the slime out. Oh. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty that looks. It actually looks really pretty. Ugh, it's a little sticky because it stuck to my hand, see? So I'm gonna add some lotion. Come on, get out. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Yes, there. I'm just gonna mix that in. This is satisfying. It kind of turned gray. Like, look at that. It kind of looks gray because of the lotion, but when you mix it in, it won't turn gray, hopefully. Texture feels really nice now, and it looks super glossy. Like, look at that, like, shine on it. It rips a little, but that's okay because it's a chalkboard slime. So how I would, like, color on it is I would, like, stretch it out onto the table or wherever you're playing with your slime. And then I would take my marker and kind of color on it. Wait. Yeah, that would work. It might rip a little. This slime actually feels really nice. So this is the slime at the end. And this is what it used to look like. I'm not putting this slime back in that bag. Okay, so this is our chalkboard slime. So now let's try to color on it. Okay, so now I've got my chalk markers, so now let's see what it does. So first I'm going to write my name. Oh, that shows up really good. And if you ever use your chalk marker so much and kind of turns your slime a different color, you can always just add more black paint. There, look at that. M-I-A. That looks very pretty. Let's see what happens when we mix it in. So it doesn't change color that much, but I do see a few like white stripes, but that'll probably go away once you play with your slime. Okay. Let's do it again. That was fun. Let's draw a heart. you kind of gotta do dots everywhere, because like when you like do a stripe like that, kind of like moves your slime. Like, see, look, that happens. Let's do a proper heart this time. There, look at that. Let's color it in. I think that's a bubble on top of there. That's cool. We just colored over top of a bubble. Whee! Okay, so it's time to go now. So bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. So see you next time. Bye.